You have to make sure you're paying attention, otherwise you slice your finger off.
See how long the battery lasts.
And you get the perch glove. 11.5-inch perch. What you do is you cut down.
Great.
Small ones are pretty big. Go right along the backbone. And you get all the way down, almost to the tail, but not, you don't cut all the way through, and then you flip it over. And you just cut down to the skin, and you push down, and you just glide the knife right underneath the succulent flesh of the perch. And there's one. Nice filet. Flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side.
Mosquitoes are out.